Yeah! Yeah! Yo, this Iris out. I sent him on. Hold on. This nigga got bitches now, nigga? Bro, this nigga cuff my Kim on some shit, nigga, what? He got bitches now, nigga? Okay. Okay, nigga, he got some bitches on his TikTok, nigga, what? Okay. Who is this? What the fuck? Yeah! Yeah! Shit was that? Yo, what am I looking at? Yeah! Oh my God. Nigga, what? Is this like a music vid or some shit? What is this? This like a... I ain't gonna lie. This was, you feel me? So much gyatness going on. So much gyatness going on, nigga.
Went to Brazil, chillin' with supermodel. Bacardi in my safe, half bottle. Hit the pedal, going straight full throttle. And she hit the walk of shame, she waddled. In my bag now, left her in the past. I'm going too fast, I hope I don't crash.